good job with the trash talking.
Wow, I guess I am good.
Well, is any dust on me?
Yeah, I think there's a lot. Well, my gun, whatever this is called, it's an X shot. X shots are better than Nerf. With your Eagle Point.
That's
Plus,
offensive to Nerf.
Okay, yeah, Tatum. Okay, whatever. But I'm gonna cook Zeke no matter what. Dusty is
Yeah, well, I want Matthew to win because he's wearing a Florida Panthers hat.
Oh, damn, bro.
I'm a goalie.
Oh, are you playing goalie? Bad! I shall speed! Bye-bye.
Haha.
Wait, did you block that with your hat?
Yeah, I caught it.
Come and come. Put your hands up and then I won't.
Look at all the bullets in the middle.
Oh, damn.
Zeke, grab your gun. Matthew, you have 1 life.
Crack! You're a prick mansion, bud! I'm gonna go down. You're gonna get dusted because I'm gonna shoot you. Haha. Get cocked! Let's go.
Oh, and the lightsaber duel is going on. He's on the dark side. But who will win? The dark side or the light side?
I don't have a lightsaber.
Oh, well, that's too bad. Try using the force and it'll come. Nice catch, Cheer.
I got it.
Yeah! Right in the leg, Dusty.
Hat.
Force!
I'm strong in the first one, you know that, right?
Yeah, but I'm Darth Maul. I'm your father, Luke. And you know that. You always never know.
I'm Yoda.
Sure, you Yoda.
Beat Darth Sidious, Matthew. Then you can shoot lightning at him.
Okay, come on, Luke. Let's fight. I am. Kill you.
Now
Where's the
gonna win?
action?
Who's gonna win? No.
You guys need to keep fighting to see who wins. What the?
Your lightsaber's broken, Luke.
Yeah, that's why Yoda.
Okay, Yoda, let's fight. Yes, you're cooked. I am your father, Luke.
Who wins?
Good question. We'll watch that on replay. Reset.